Jai Junendra and welcome back to the Hobby Hub, your one-stop destination for creative DIY projects. आज हम लाए हैं cute love notes for your loved ones. Cut 13 pieces of white chart paper with length 7.5 cm and width 5.5 cm. Now pen down all your love notes in the love sheets. To love and to be loved is very special, but to make someone feel special is beyond imagination. Share your love and moments with your loved ones. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more creative updates. And until next time, happy crafting and make memories. धन्यवाद और शुभकामनाएं.